Hi, I'm Nick
And I'm Tracy.
with Colorado Concrete Repair. In 2018, we decided to try and help accelerate the growth of 4 nonprofit missions in Denver.
The first one is Sewall Child Development Center, a great organization with a rich history of improving the lives of children with special needs.
Recently, we were able to help them make improvements to their facility. Watch.
Hi, I'm Heidi. I'm the CEO at Sewall Child Development Center. Sewall's mission is to provide inclusive environments to children birth through 5. Sewall's been running inclusive programs since the early 90s, and what it really means is that all children belong, all children accepted for their abilities, and all children live and work in community. The Lion Project is working on our toddler playground. So since Sewall moved in here at the beginning of 2016, we have had no renovations to the toddler group. We serve 24 toddlers with and without special needs, and we need to be able to make sure it's accessible to everybody. So between the boat and the tires and painting so that children with visual disabilities might be able to see better, we hope that everybody will be able to access the playground.
We're excited to be here. We're happy to be here. The whole environment is just alive and like everybody's having a good time helping out.
So it's really awesome just to help them out, give them, as normal of a playground that we can, and make them, feel like they've got a great place to go and learn and develop and have some fun here at the same time.
Most playgrounds, they aren't created with kids with special needs in mind, and we are just hoping to help Denver and the area become more inclusive and open for all kids.
I hope that when the kids come in on Monday, they're just filled with joy and appreciation, like that they know that they're cared for and they know that they're loved. That would make me really happy.
A humongous thank you and so much appreciation to everyone who came out. I cannot wait to see the children and families and staff's faces on Monday morning and what this will mean to them. They're going to feel the support of a large community that believes in investing in them, and that's going to make a world of difference.
We had so much fun together serving Sewall. Come to the next one. All customers and their families are welcome to join us. Call us for details.